Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to make Nigerian buns. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1/2 cup of granulated sugar, and 1 teaspoon of baking powder, plus a small pinch of salt. For the wet ingredients, have 1 large egg and 1/2 cup of milk ready. Finally, you'll need about 3 cups of vegetable oil for frying these delicious treats. Now, let's start by combining our dry ingredients. Take your 2 cups of all-purpose flour and sift them into a spacious mixing bowl. This helps prevent lumps. Next, add the 1/2 cup of granulated sugar, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and that small pinch of salt. Give everything a good whisk to ensure all the dry components are evenly distributed and ready for the wet mixture. Next, we'll bring our wet and dry ingredients together. In a separate bowl, whisk your 1 large egg until it's light and frothy. Then, slowly add the 1/2 cup of milk to the egg mixture, combining them well. Now, pour this wet mixture into your bowl of dry ingredients. Stir gently with a spoon until a thick, lumpy batter forms. Remember, do not overmix. A few lumps are perfectly fine for tender buns. Finally, it's time to fry our delicious buns. Heat about 3 cups of vegetable oil in a deep pot over medium heat. Test the oil by dropping a tiny bit of batter. It should sizzle immediately. Carefully drop spoonfuls of batter into the hot oil, ensuring you don't overcrowd the pot. Fry them for about 3 to 5 minutes, turning occasionally until they are beautifully golden brown. Remove, drain on paper towels, and serve warm.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.